In the last 2 years, we saw a huge revolution in the AI industry. ChatGPT created a huge impact on the AI revolution and was unbeatable. However, in the past few days, we have noticed a huge hype about a new competitor called DeepSeek AI. It's a Chinese LLM model and claims that it can surpass the mighty ChatGPT. Today, we will try both platforms and see the difference. So, let's dive in. I will use both the free and paid versions of ChatGPT and DeepSeek. However, to use the GPT-O1 Pro, you need to pay $20 per month, and DeepSeek V3 is not available to the public. Don't worry, we can access both the GPT-O1 preview and DeepSeek V3 on Chat LLM Team by Abacus, and you have to pay only $10 per month. I will put the link in the description. Once you are on this page, click here and then create an account. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. Now, to access DeepSeek AI, click on the drop-down button from here. Here, you will find all the popular LLM models, including GPT-O1 Preview and DeepSeek. To do a fair comparison, I will ask the same question to both AI tools. Let's start with GPT-4o. Simply click here and then select the GPT-4o model. The GPT-4o model is selected. Okay, let's start with a very basic question. I am asking it to write an article about World War II. GPT-4o is now generating the article. And here is our result. The article is pretty good, and I am satisfied with the result. It provides a short brief and then the causes of World War II. After that, the major events of the war. Next is the human cost. And in the end, the conclusion. It's a well-crafted short article. I like it. Now, let's try the same question with DeepSeek's free and open model, DeepSeek R1. Click on the drop-down menu and then select the DeepSeek R1 model. After selecting the model, I am asking the same question. After entering the question, hit the Enter button. DeepSeek R1 is now thinking. Oh, there is an error. It could be due to higher traffic. Let's try again. And here it is. We got the result. There is a huge difference between the results. Before generating the final result, DeepSeek provides its own thoughts. And I like it. You can notice what is happening and why it is happening. That's quite awesome. And here is the final result. The final result provides us with the origins of the conflict, theaters of war, the Holocaust and atrocities, technological and societal shifts, the post-war world, and legacy and remembrance, with a conclusion. After reviewing both models' content, I can say that DeepSeek R1 generates better results. Alright, that was a past event, and all the data was available. Now let's see how both models do with a recent event. This time, I am asking DeepSeek R1 to write a news article about President Trump's inauguration event. DeepSeek R1 is thinking, and here is the result. And the result is just pathetic. First, it mentions the event took place in 2017, meaning the previous one. And then it wrote 2 words only. The person, the person, the person, again and again. In that test, DeepSeek R1 completely failed. Now let's try with GPT-4o model. This is the result generated by GPT-4o model. It also wrote an article about the 2017 event. However, GPT-4o generates a more quality article. Now let's try to generate codes using both tools. I will start with GPT. I am asking it to generate Python code to make a SaaS tool that can transcribe YouTube videos. GPT starts generating the code. And here it is. The code is ready. It provides the main Python code with other attributions. That's not the end. It mentions all the steps and additional key information, such as the API. It's impressive. Now let's try DeepSeek R1. After selecting the model, I give the same prompt. And here it is. DeepSeek R1 is writing its thoughts. I really love this feature. It makes sure we are going in the right direction. Here, you can see it provides the perfect explanation of the context and even corrects my spelling mistakes so that it can provide the best result. And this is the full Python code. The code is perfect. And after the code, you will find requirements and setup instructions, and all of them are perfect. After observing both answers, I can say that DeepSeek again generates a more organized result. Alright, now let's move forward to the paid version comparison, meaning GPT-O1 Preview and DeepSeek Vi3. I am creating a new chat by clicking here. After creating a new chat, I am selecting the GPT-01 preview model from here. Okay, now let's solve a math problem with GPT-01 preview. I will try to solve this problem. This is basically a screenshot. I will upload it. So, click on the attachment icon from here. After that, upload the screenshot. Once done, I am simply typing to solve this math problem. And here it is. O1 is now thinking about the problem, and this is the result we got. This is amazing. GPT-01 preview gives us the perfect result. It also demonstrates the steps to solve this problem. Now let's try to solve this problem using DeepSeek V3. I am using it in a new tab. Like GPT, I will upload the screenshot and ask it to solve the problem. There is a problem. At this moment, it doesn't support uploading any documents. However, you can upload a document on the DeepSeek R1 web version. Okay, let's try to solve the math using the text version on V3. I am entering the math and then asking it to solve it. And here it is. You can see that DeepSeek has generated the background and then solved the problem in a step-by-step method. The answer is factually correct. In that case, both GPT-01 and DeepSeek V3 did a great job. Alright, after trying some queries, I can say that the hype is real. DeepSeek is the new game changer, and sometimes it really surpasses ChatGPT. But there are really some issues we need to talk about. ChatGPT offers some extra features, such as the ability to generate images using DALL-E, and it offers sound and voice message features. However, DeepSeek offers a very cost-effective plan. The most effective way might be to use the Abacus AI Chat LLM team. Not only GPT-01 preview or DeepSeek, here you can generate images and videos too. And you have to pay only $10 per month to use all of these features. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about DeepSeek AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.